In this video, I'll be giving an in-depth guide kung paano makapag-invest sa US stock market from the Philippines gamit ang interactive brokers. Maraming nagre-request nito, so finally nagawan ko na rin ng video. Sa mga gustong mag-invest sa US stock market, meron na akong nagawang video about US stock market investing. I'll put the video link in the description box below so you can check it out pag hindi mo pa ito napanood. Ito ang mga topics na i-discuss ko in this video. Quick overview kung paano mag-open ng interactive brokers account, ano yung tax implications for non-US residents. I'll give a quick overview of interactive brokers web portal and how to fund your account, how to buy and sell stocks, and how to withdraw your money. Start tayo sa pag-open ng account. Kung wala ka pang interactive brokers account, you can scan the QR code to sign up for an account. Or pwede mo ring gamitin ang sign up link ko sa video description below. Ito ang una mo makikita pag clinic mo ang sign up link. Open an account today and start earning up to 1,000 US dollars of interactive brokers stocks for free. So read the terms and conditions and then tap open account. Input email address and then create username and password. You will be asked to confirm your email and then complete the application process by tapping create account. Meron na akong account so hindi na ako mag-create ng bago. You need to provide the following information: personal and contact information, employment status. Sa income and worth, maglagay ka lang ng mas malaking income. Hindi naman kailangan ng proof of income. And then, provide tax residency information. So, kailangan ng TIN number dito. And then, information on trading experience and objectives. And then, input bank account information. For non-US residents who want to invest in the US stock market, kailangan mag-submit ng W-8 BEN form to comply with US tax regulations. Bakit kailangan mag-submit ng W-8 BEN form? Unang-una, mataas ang withholding tax ng US sa dividends for non-US residents. Pag meron kang W-8 BEN form, makakakuha ka ng reduced withholding tax, which is 20% instead of 30%. This also serves as proof of foreign status para ma-exempt ka sa capital gains tax pag nagbenta ka ng stocks. Take note, Philippines considers capital gains from foreign stock investments as part of taxable income. So you need to report these gains in your annual income tax return or ITR. And to avoid double taxation, W-8 BEN form ensures na hindi ka matatax ng dalawang beses sa US at sa Philippines. After submitting the form, dadaan muna sa automated identity verification process and need maghulog ng initial deposit during verification. Wala namang minimum amount na required. Naalala ko, nag-deposit muna ako ng 100 US dollars. Just follow the funding instructions from interactive brokers. Sa account verification, hinanapan ako ng proof of address. In-upload ko lang gamit ang link na pinadala sa email. Once na-approve na ang new account application mo, pwede ka na mag-login sa iyong interactive brokers account. And then, pwede ka na mag-trade. Pero need mo muna i-set up ang interactive brokers account mo. To set up your account, tap profile. You can choose light or dark mode. So, ililipat ko sa dark mode. Then, search IBKR pricing plan. Merong dalawang pricing plans ang interactive brokers, tiered pricing and fixed rate pricing. So, which one to choose? May nakita akong comparison na ginawa ng isang vlogger comparing the two pricing plans of interactive brokers for buying stocks sa New York Stock Exchange. For fixed pricing, minimum is $1. So, maski 1 share lang bibilhin mo, $1 pa rin ang charge. Walang board lot sa US stocks. Pwedeng bumili maski less than 1 share. And then, if you are trading a small amount up to $10,000 a month, tiered pricing is cheaper. But if you are trading large amount, like more than $10,000 a month, fixed pricing is cheaper. Choose tiered pricing for small amount of trading below 10,000 US dollars a month. Next, search trade in fractions and then enable fractional trade para pwede kang bumili ng fractional shares. Lastly, search base currency. If you are trading US stocks, choose US dollar. So now I'll give you a quick overview of Interactive Brokers web portal para ma-familiarize ka sa layout. So let's start sa homepage. Discuss ko muna itong account sa left side. Meron kang makikitang settled cash dito. Settled cash ay yung cash na ready and available for use and pwedeng ma-withdraw. Pag nagbenta ka ng stocks, hindi mo agad ma-withdraw ang money. Kasi merong 2 days for the trade to be settled. Same din ito sa Philippine stocks. Hindi mo agad mawi-withdraw pagkabenta ng stocks, pero pwedeng gamitin pambili ng ibang stocks. Buying power is how much cash you have in your account. Try to avoid using margin as much as possible kasi merong interest ang margin. Dividend is how much dividend you have received. Net liquidity is your account net worth. So, gaano kalaki ang net worth mo or gaano ka kayaman. NAV change, ito yung net worth change over a certain period. So, nagbabago ito depende sa share price. Yung bottom part gives a quick overview of the things that may be useful to you. Dito sa part na ito, makikita mo ang upcoming corporate events pag meron that you need to take note of. And then, market overview, top portfolio positions, watch list, recent news from Interactive Brokers, and cryptocurrencies latest price. Ito ang naka-default, so pwede mong i-edit ito sa Add Edit Widgets. Let's move sa portfolio. Nandito ang holdings or stocks na hawak mo. Position is how many shares ang total na nabili mo. And last, trading price, change in price for the trading day, cost basis, how much ang na-invest mo, including commissions na binayad mo. And then market value is the current value of your holdings, average price, daily profit or loss, and unrealized profits or loss. Ito ang naka-default. Hindi ko na binago. Pwede mong baguhin, so itap mo lang ito. Then edit columns pag gusto mong baguhin. Check natin iba't ibang tabs. Next to Portfolio tab ay ang Trade tab. Research tab, dito ka mag-create ng watch list. Transfer and Pay tab, so dito ka mag-transfer ng fund. Performance and Reports tab, pwede mong ma-download ang statement mo dito. Education tab. So pag gusto mo mag-aral about stocks and trading, may mga videos and articles dito. Next topic is how to fund Interactive Brokers account. You can fund your Interactive Brokers account through wire transfer in US dollars. Pero kailangan ng US dollar bank account sa any of the local banks like BPI, BDO, or Metrobank. Kaya lang malaki ang wire transfer fee sa banks ranging from 25 to 35 US dollars. Pero cheaper ang option na ito pag malaking amount ang iwa-wire transfer mo, mga 25,000 pesos pataas. Other option is through third-party payment provider. Interactive Broker supports funding through Wise. Cheaper option ang Wise pag lower ang amount na ita-transfer mo. Pero kailangan mo ng Wise account dito. Madali lang mag-create ng Wise account online. I'll show you how. Pag wala ka pang Wise account, you can sign up using my QR code or my referral link. Ilalagay ko din ang link sa video description below. Pag meron ka ng Wise account, pwede kang gumawa ng account sa iba't ibang currency. Tap Add another currency to your account. Choose balance. Choose a balance to open. So, search mo ang USD. Since meron akong USD account, wala na siya dito sa choices. To add money to your Wise USD account, tap mo lang yung add. Indicate amount to add. And then, add payment method. Sa payment method, there are two choices, debit card or credit card. Same ang fees sa debit card and credit card. For 100 US dollars, 321 pesos ang total fees. So, nasa around 5.7% ang total fees. And then, tap continue to proceed. then input card details. Take note, 'pag credit card ang gagamitin mo, merong cash advance fee ang bank sa Philippines. Gamitin mo ang WISE 'pag lower ang amount na ita-transfer mo para makatipid ka sa fees. 'Pag bigger amount like 25,000 pesos pataas, mas mura 'pag sa bank ka mag-wire transfer. To fund your Interactive Brokers account, log into your Interactive Broker account and then tap mo yung transfer and pay. Transfer funds, deposit fund, and then use a new deposit method. Select a deposit method. For non-US residents, pwede tayo sa bank wire or transfer from Wise Balance. If you choose bank wire, tap Get Instructions. Provide bank details, then get wire instructions. So, sundin mo lang ang funding instructions. So, this will also be sent to your email. Next, I will show yung pag-transfer ng fund from Wise Balance. Tap Transfer. You must have a Wise multi-currency account to use this method. You will link this account with your Interactive Brokers account. Okay, so choose USD. So I currently have $66 in my Wise account. Merong fee na $1.27, so mababawas ito sa $66. So $64.73 ang natira. Tap Continue. Tap confirm, then initiate fund transfer from Wise. So, mag-login ka sa Wise account mo, review the task for fund transfer, and then choose balance transfer para mas mababa ang fee. And then tap pay. You can check the status sa Wise transactions. And you can also check the status sa Interactive Brokers, transaction status, and history. So, pending pa ang kanyang status. So, it takes 1 day bago makomplete ang transfer. You're now finally ready to buy a stock. To buy a stock, search for the stock na gusto mong bilhin. And then type stock code. Bibili ako ng Realty Income REIT. Ang stock code is O. And then tap mo yung stock na bibilhin mo. Dito magba-buy and sell ng stocks. Merong fundamentals ang Interactive Brokers sa web portal. If you want to learn more about the company, you can check the fundamentals. Makikita dito ang overview ng company and other company information. Meron ding rating ang Morningstar. Ang fair value estimate ng Morningstar ay $75. And nagbibigay ng monthly dividends ang O. You can check the financials, analyst ratings, and then merong average target price and price target range na pwede nyong gamitin as reference. And you can find all other information about the company. Balik tayo dito sa buy. Tap buy. You can choose to specify the number of shares or USD. Sa number of shares, you can buy less than 1 share pag naka-enable ang fractional share sa settings mo. You can also specify the amount in USD. Minimum is 1 USD. Meron iba't ibang order type that you can choose from. I'll explain the two most common order types, limit and market order. For limit order, pwede mong specify what price you want to buy the stock. For example, Realty Income O, I want to buy it at $61. So, ilalagay ko $61. Pwedeng maglagay ng lower amount. Pero 'wag masyadong mababa ang limit, baka walang mag-match na asking price at hindi ma-execute ang order mo. Sa market order naman, you will buy the stock at whatever is the current market price. Kung gusto mong ma-execute agad ang order mo, choose market order. Enable mo itong price management algo. This is designed to help traders manage their limit order to prevent you from accidentally putting in the wrong order. Time in force. If you choose good till cancel, your order will be around until it gets filled or until you cancel it. At the opening naman, the order will be created at the beginning of the trading day. And then it will be canceled pag hindi na-execute at the opening of the stock market. They will only be for the trading day. Pag hindi na-fill ang order mo, it will be canceled at the end of the day. Personally, day lang lagi ang pinipili ko. Puwede ring enable ang trading outside regular trading hours para puwede kang mag-place ng order outside trading hours. Ito ang trading hours sa US from 9:30 AM to 4 PM. 12 hours ahead tayo, so that's 9:30 PM to 4 AM Manila time. And wala silang lunch break, so dire-diretso lang ang trading hours sa US. Eto na ang final buy order ko. I will buy 1 share of Realty Income stock code O, limit $61. Click preview. Commission is 0.35 USD. If everything is okay, submit buy order. Order has been submitted. Yay! Status is submitted. Hindi na match ang order ko with $61 na limit price. Na-cancel siya. If you want to sell, tap sell, then place your sell order. How to withdraw available cash? 'Pag nagbenta ka ng stocks, hindi mo agad mawi-withdraw as I discussed earlier, kasi +2 days pa bago ma-settle ang funds sa account. To withdraw your fund, go to Transfer and Pay, Transfer Funds, select Withdraw Funds. 'Pag nagamit mo na ang Wise or bank accounts mo to deposit or withdraw, masi-save ang bank information mo dito. 'Pag wala pa dito, you can use a new withdrawal method. Tap Use a new withdrawal method. Select the currency you want to withdraw. Choose USD. Tap Use this method. One free withdrawal is allowed per calendar month. Subsequent withdrawals will incur a fee of $10 IBKR. Merong separate fee ang receiving bank for an incoming wire. Naalala ko nasa $20 ang binawas ng BPI sa fund transfer ko. Input the bank information, then save bank info, and then initiate the fund transfer. The fund will be transferred to your bank account the next banking day. Sa transfer to Wise Balance, nakasave na ang info pag ito ang ginamit for funding the Interactive Brokers account. And naka-indicate kung magkano ang cash available for withdrawal. Tap Create Withdrawal. Ito ang complete guide para makapag-invest sa US stock market gamit ang Interactive Brokers. I hope you found this video helpful. Like and share na rin to reach a wider audience and makatulong din sa iba.